I'd definitely say that's bad.
Already off to a great start. Never a good thing when you find the boneyard. Always check. Yep, we're good. Got the bottom two on, take our new pump, and we could sit on the two bolts. Just like that. Look at that. It holds itself up. It's in hand tight first. Okay, so we got 120, so red and brown on 2, blue on 4. That's how it came pre-wired. So that means one lead goes to 4, one lead goes to 1. Simple enough, I can do that. 4 and 1. Okay, power's all good. Oh, nice, they actually put a little red head. Ah, this headlight, man. All right, time to fire it up. I'll check back in a little bit. I just gotta give time for water to fill up in the condensate tank just to double check that the pump works, and then we're on to the next.
Yeah, I'd definitely say that's bad.
It works. If you're curious what this is, basically it's a bleeder and it constantly circulates water around so air doesn't have a chance to build up as the water level in the tank goes up and down, because we all know the problems that occur when you involve air and pumps.